Hey, Studio 5, it's Steph Bryson. I thought I'd take you along while I'm out in the wild to the Family Search Center in Layton. I've heard that if you come here, you can digitize or scan family photos and negatives for free. So I'm excited because I found a super old box of family photos. The date on this box is 1935. Inside are 60 negatives. They're larger negatives. They're like 3x5 size, but I think they show my husband's father as a child with his parents growing up in the Vernal area. So I'm excited to see what I've got. Stepping in there, you see this place buzzing with activity, people on computers doing various things like scanning slides. They have a high-speed scanner for photo prints. One lady was doing documents. I immediately got hooked up with a missionary and began to learn the system for scanning my negatives. They presented a little bit of a challenge because they were larger than normal, but we changed some settings and messed around and decided that we could get some really good results with my negatives. It's going to take me a little longer than I thought, each negative, to scan them in there. So I need to come back with when I have more time, but I am so excited. What are the possibilities? And people are just putting in photos and organizing their lives. And I think this is all what we sort of have a secret desire to do. That was really fun. Thanks, Family Search Center, for an introductory lesson, and I'll be back.
Isn't that amazing? And can't you feel the hum of that facility? People just standing eager to help kind of make these heavenly connections and to form these memory path points. I didn't even know there was a Family Search Center in Layton, actually. So Steph, thank you so much for introducing us. And she found that you can make an appointment online if you want to try it out for yourself. Very cool. Very cool.